Hey guys, so I'm here today to talk to you about customary weight. All right, so customary weight is that's how we in the USA measure items. We measure items with using ounces, pounds, and tons. And the measure of weight, that means we are measuring how heavy something is, the amount, how much gravity does it take to hold me to the earth. Okay, so weight is how heavy something is. Okay, for weight, an ounce is about as heavy as one slice of bread. Yep, and a pound is about as heavy as a package of butter. But remember, I also like to use a loaf of bread. And then a ton. A ton is about the size of a medium-sized car. All right, so quick review. All right, so here's what we need to know. We need to know that 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound and 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. Right? So I'm going to pull out of here and open up my whiteboard. All right, and so here I have our whole thing set up and ready to go. So we'll go back to the slideshow in just a minute, but let's explore. So remember, in each of our measurement units, we have had this line, and we have placed our units on the bottom and our numbers either in between or above to let us know the number that we need to utilize as inside of our equation. And then determining which way we go, if we're going to the right, so if we take ounces to pounds or pounds to tons, then that's a divide. If you're taking a smaller unit and going to a larger unit, you're going to divide your number. But if you are taking something from a large unit, tons, all down to pounds or ounces even, that's a multiplication. Same exact process that we have been doing. So right here, I'm just going to set this up the way it looks up here. So we have 2,000. All right. So if we go from tons to pounds, it's times. And if we go from pounds to tons, it's divide, right? Okay. So here we are. We start out with 2 tons equals blank pounds. Okay. Well, if 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, then 2 tons should be what? 4,000, right? So we take what we're given, that's where we start. We start at tons, and we are going to move to pounds. When we move to pounds, we cross over and we get the multiplication. So you take the given number, 2, the direction, and then the other given number, which is 2,000, because that's the number that's in between pounds and tons, is 2,000. So if we say 2,000, times 2, you're going to get 4,000. Please remember that this is a calculator-approved concept. Please use your calculators during all of measurement. Thank you so much. All right, next up we have ounces to pounds. So I'm going to erase this and I'm going to pull my ounces, pounds, and 16. Yeah. All right, remember, if you go from a big unit to a smaller unit, you're multiplying. If you are going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you're dividing. All right, so they give us 32 ounces. That's what we have. That's where we start, ounces. And we're going to move to pounds. If we follow our arrow all the way over here, we know that this means we're going to divide. So far we have the number 32, and then we have divide. By what? Well, that number right there in the middle, that one, that's our number, 16. 32 divided by 16. How many pounds are we going to get? We are going to have 2 pounds. All right, we can move from pounds to ounces. So if we take our ounces and pounds and our 16 again, okay? This way is a multiply. And this way is divide. All right. They give us pounds. And they would like us to move 2 ounces. Once we do that, it becomes a multiplication problem, yes? Yes. All right. So what we need to do is we need to take the number that they give us, which is 3, and we're going to multiply by the number that's given, 16. 3. You guys may use your calculator. I'm going to come up with 48 ounces. And the very last one on this list. Struggling with the erasing. There we go. All right, the last one is our pounds to tons. 2000's our number. Same thing, multiply, divide. All right, we're starting at pounds, and we have to move 2 ounces, so that means we're going to divide. So they give us 4,000, and they want us to divide it. This is not how we set that up. 4,000 divided by, and yeah, 2,000. And when we do that, basically this says how many groups of 2,000 can we take out of 4,000? Well, 2. 2 tons. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. So if we were to try to convert ounces to pounds, you would need to, on your line, we're not converting ounces to pounds. I do that all of the time. I always have to go back and restate what I'm saying. They're giving us 5 pounds, and they want us to change it to ounces, okay? Well, first you need to go to pounds on your line, and then you're going to move to ounces. When you do that, you realize that you will be multiplying, okay? So I have 5 pounds times what? 16. And that's going to give us 80 ounces. How many pounds are in 2 tons? We just did this one. How many pounds are in 2 tons? If 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, then 2 tons is going to be 4,000. All right, well, this was quick and short, and I hope it was helpful. Give us a shout if you need some help. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye!